back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason your iPhone is not detecting your headphones. Now, it may not be connecting or detecting your specific AirPods, some Bluetooth headphones, or even some headphones that you plug in via your lightning or headphone jack. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is making sure that you can actually discover your headphones whichever way you're trying to go. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is going inside of your settings like this, going under Bluetooth and seeing if you are actually connected to your Bluetooth headphones. And then what you want to do is disconnect from those headphones and reconnect to them. So you want to click on the eye next to whichever AirPods or headphones they are, disconnect from them and reconnect to them. Now, if you have a different pair of headphones, you want to go ahead and unplug those specific headphones and then plug them back in. 99% of the time, it's as easy as that by disconnecting and reconnecting your headphones, and you won't even have to worry about this problem anymore. That's pretty much what's fixed it every single time for me. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work for you, what I would recommend doing is making sure that that specific AirPod headphones works, or if you're plugging them in here, making sure those headphones work too. If your headphones that you plug in are not working at all, then that is pretty much the problem in and of itself. Try connecting them to a couple different devices. If none of those devices work, well, you've pretty much found your problem. So you want to reconnect or connect in the first place to all those different devices, see what happens from there, and then pretty much move on from there. If none of those things work, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to restart your device. So go ahead and hold the volume up button and the power button on the side, wait until you get into this panel, and go ahead and power off the device, and then you want to go and power back on, and then you want to see if it fixed it. Like I mentioned, it's not a guaranteed thing, but restarting your phone is another great way to fix this. Another final thing you can do is to pretty much go ahead and update your specific iPhone. So you want to go ahead and go inside of your settings, you want to click General down here, click on Software Update right up there, and you want to go ahead and update your specific iPhone to the most recent version of iOS that's available. If you're lucky, you'll be able to go ahead and update perfectly fine, and that's pretty much all you have to do. If you're still experiencing issues, the next thing I would recommend doing is pretty much reaching out to Apple and having them take a look at your iPhone. You can also try resetting your iPhone, but that's pretty much how to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I got you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.